Good morning. We are at Rockingham today for their test and tune. As you saw, my car is in pieces, so today we are bringing out the Bad Idea Camaro. Jared's going to try and see what he can do to get it dialed in a little bit more. So wish us luck. We also have the Supras here, trying to go for some PBs today, and then also our friend David right there. He's also trying to go for the coveted $8.99. Let's see what happens. Not bad. I think it was a 1086, but I believe he let out at the 8th. So I'm going to take a look at the slip on the app, see what it was, and we'll get what happened in the car from him himself.
625 at 114.
625 at 114? Is that a PB?
Time, yes. Oh yeah. Woo, look at my hair.
You almost pulled a wheelie, babe.
No, I didn't. Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit, really? All right, new goal.
I mean, it looked good off the line. The bumper looked like it worked really well.
Yeah.
So.
It'll take a lot more.
Oh, it will take a lot more.
So.
Smooth, man.
What?
Just getting right down Broadway.
Yeah, no, it was simple. This car is kind of simple.
I don't know.
What did you do, Lucy?
Well, I went faster than the bumper was okay with, and it kind of came off and got ate by the tire.
Oof.
Yeah, it's a big oof going on here. It's going to be a few zip ties going on. I might have to put a zip tie through the fender. I don't know. I'm gonna do something.
You got duct tape or something?
I don't know if duct tape's gonna, 200 mile an hour tape. Yeah, we can do 200 mile an hour tape. Weight reduction.
Nah, I mean, it's missing a little bit. It'll be all right. All right. I just pull it back down, release the pressure, and go back out. That was a terrible 60 foot, too.
We got a new PB for the Supra, 794. I think it was at like 175 in the quarter. Jared had a PB 8th mile time of 6.2, but not mile an hour. So we're going to see what Jared decides to put the, I don't know if he's going to change timing or if he's just going to hit the up arrow. We'll see. But it's almost time to go up again. So what we got?
620 at 115.
Okay.
So knocked half a tenth off the 8th.
Creeping on it.
Yep.
How many pounds of boost did you leave off of?
No idea.
You didn't log it again?
Oh, I logged it. I just haven't looked at it.
Oh, okay. Felt good to continue on the up and up process?
Yeah, it still sucks idling. It's still pretty pissed off about that idle.
All right, well, we'll get it. That was on a pass.
Oh yeah, yeah. It wasn't a 4 rib, sorry. It might be a 4 rib now.
What's going on?
The belt was a 6 rib, is now a 4 rib.
Hey babes. So guess what? I'm sitting there at the light watching him. Is he gonna get a wild hair up his ass and race the G-body? Or is he gonna stop at the 8? Yeah, you did not.
I did not. No, I didn't go all the way quarter.
No, you didn't.
No, not at all. Yeah. What?
So you rolled to a 991?
Yeah.
What was your ace?
6-0.
Okay.
In there.
6-0 at what?
117.
Nice. Good job, babies.
Yeah, no, I didn't even see him.
I know, because he was behind you.
I didn't see him at all.
Still got a belt too.
I got part of it hit the windshield in the back.
Focus, focus. There we go. Nice. 138.6. Smoky burnout. Come on, babies. Ah. Come on, baby. Well, how'd you do?
602 at 116. With
Okay.
a 136 60 foot.
Holy sh! I mean, it
Moving
left.
out.
She left. I have to slow it down, but I think you might have actually got like air.
Definitely pull tight.
Nah.
I have to slow it down, but so did that extra pound and extra degree really do anything?
Yeah,
When did you let off?
I did. I did.
Okay.
Yeah, at 999 at 108. I went through the 1,000 foot at 113.
Okay.
So I was off early.
Okay. So that's gonna be a wrap. We got some PBs all around. Jared got a PB 8th mile at 6:02. We had Matt furthering his second place on the world's fastest Supras at a 7:94. Peppa got his first 7 at 7:98 and jumped into third on the world's fastest list for Supras. And lastly, David got a PB 8th mile. I want to say it was 5:85. So all in all, it was a good day. It's getting cold, but we're packing up. We appreciate you tagging along. Like, subscribe, comment, share, all of that. And we'll see you in the next video.